Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. Today I'm gonna talk about a breakout strategies. Let's see. We talked about this strategy in the last video. I will let you that video on the description below this one. So it's very important for us to understand how to place and how to trace the support and resistance level like this. Now I will place another support level from this point to this one. Okay, I will put this level in other color, yellow. Now what I'm going to do is I will wait an entry on the breakout of this level, or this one, I mean the upper level, on the upper level. And let's also place an alert just in case the price reach this level. Okay, let's see another pair. Let's see here what are the possible opportunities that we have to trade on this market. Let's place another resistance level to see how the price is going on. Okay, let's check. We will wait an entry at this level, on this point, and also we can place another level here on this lower low. Okay, here we can see a breakout. The price is making a breakout, but we need to wait until this candlestick is closed. So let's be ready for a trade. Once it's closed, we will entry. Okay, let's do it. Why I entry this trade? Because of the breakout. The breakout is very clear, and it means it's strong. So it's very probable that this price go to the next level, support level. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is happening the same. Let's wait until this candlestick close. Okay, so I don't like this week. I don't like this week. No, I don't like this week. So if this candlestick closes, okay, no. Okay, we won this trade because of the breakout. The breakout was very clear and very strong. Now let's see if we can recover this one, because it got executed too high. Okay, let's place. No. It had a delay. It had a great delay. I didn't like this entry. Didn't like this entry. But let's wait anyway. We need to avoid the candlestick with this kind of wick. Are not good. Okay, let's wait another breakout to recover the loss. Guys, if you have any question about this strategy or this way of trading, please comment it below this video. And remember to join us on the Facebook group and Telegram group. The links are on below this video too. Let's wait. Let me place an alert here too. Today I'm just trading on these two pairs because are the one with the with the higher profit. Let me check if there's another one on binary. I don't see any other one, so it doesn't worth it for me. If it doesn't offer more than 80%, it's not good for me. Okay, let's check. So when this happened, we can see here that the price made another higher than the previous one. So what we can do here is we can clone this resistance level and place another one here. Once it's once it's broken, we can place another trade. Okay, let's just wait. We lost this one. We need to recover. I will pause the video, and once I have an entry, I will play it.